find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. We believe in peace and peaceful development, not only for ourselves but for people all over the world. Thoughts of two great leaders, Gandhiji and Shastriji, showed their like-mindedness. We are blessed to live in a country where these two sons of our motherland took birth on an auspicious date, 2nd of October. Bapuji, called with lot of love by everyone, went on to become the father of nation and one of the best leader who made India independent. And Shastriji, one of the best leader of an independent India, who went on to become the second Prime Minister of India. Both of them played a very vital role in the freedom of our country. So, to pay our respect to these two icons of India, let's start this beautiful morning with a very positive enchantment of Gayatri Mantra. Over to Nisha ma'am.
Join your hands, close your eyes, get ready for Gayatri Mantra. Over to Anav Raj.
A very beautiful morning to all. Today, on this auspicious occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I, Aryan Jambashta of class 9th A, is going to quote one of Gandhiji's very significant quote that is diverse in words yet simple in meaning. The quote is, "It's the action, not the fruit of the action that's important. You have to do the right thing. It may not be in your power, may not be in your time that there will be any fruit, but that doesn't mean you stop doing the right thing. You may never know what results come from your action, but if you do nothing, there will be no result. This means that we never know what the outcome of our work will be, but this fear of not bearing a fruit provokes us to prohibit what we want to achieve. But that doesn't mean we surrender ourselves. Gandhiji himself never knew that this freedom movement would give us independence or not, but he gave in all the hard work he could, even though many a times he received failure. But this all eventually led to what he hoped for. So it's never really in our hands to receive the results we desire, but we should give our best shot no matter how it results. Thank you. Now, over to my junior Ronak for some amazing facts.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rana Gupta and today I am going to share some amazing facts about Gandhiji. We all know that 2nd of October is the birthday of the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi. But do you know he shares his birthday with another great leader of our country, the man of peace, our second Prime Minister, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Bapuji walked almost 18 kilometers a day throughout his life. This is almost equal to walking round the world twice. There are 53 major roads in India and 48 roads outside India named after him. Although he traveled all around the world, He never traveled in an aeroplane. During 1921, seeing the poverty in Madurai, where people did not have clothes to wear, he gave up his clothes and started wearing only dhoti, and even got his head shaved. The smiling picture of Bapu on the currency of our country is not a drawing, but a mirror image of his photo captured in 1946, but was printed on the Indian rupee only after 1996. He was a man of non-violence and peace, yet he never received the Nobel Prize, for which he was nominated 5 times. However, as a mark of respect, the United Nations has declared his birthday, that is 2nd October, as the International Day of Non-Violence with effect from 2007. Gandhiji was truly a man of simple living and high thinking, and we must always try and learn to follow his principle of truth and peace, rightly said by our beloved Bapuji, Ahimsa Parmo Dharma. And so let us all celebrate the spirit of peace and non-violence on his birthday. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now let's enjoy a bhajan from my senior Priya Rawat.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम पतित पावन सीताराम.
Now, I request Priya Agarwal of class 8 to take over.
Good morning, one and all present here. I, Riya Agarwal of class 8C, feel privileged to speak on the special occasion of celebrating birth anniversaries of Mahatma Gandhi ji and Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. It is an auspicious day for India because on this day, two heroes were born who sacrificed their lives for the country. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji joined the Indian independence movement in 1920. He became the second Prime Minister of India in 1964 and gave the famous slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and even promoted White Revolution in India. Shastri ji lived with his primary focus on moral values, simplicity, and led India bravely in turbulent times, giving courage and hope to a young country facing war, famine, and poverty. Shastri ji was deeply impressed and influenced by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji played a key role in independence of India. He was the one who started the process of peaceful protest, Satyagraha, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Dandi March, Dilli Chalo, and Quit India movement. Mahatma Gandhi's drive towards peace was truly commendable. He gave his entire life for the cause. Then why did he never win the Nobel Peace Prize? While he was nominated for the prize 5 times, he never received the award. This is something that the Nobel Committee regrets till date. The year that Mahatma Gandhi died, no Peace Prize was awarded, as the committee felt that there was no suitable living candidate that year. While they missed the opportunity to honor him with this recognition, today let us make sure that his message of peace does not go in vain. Let us imbibe his teachings into our lives and live harmoniously and peacefully. Let us also keep alive thoughts and principles followed by our beloved Bapu: non-violence, ahimsa, courage, sahas, service, seva, belief, vishwas, peace, aman, thoughts, soch, truth, satya, faith, astha. Shastri Ji and Bapu are long gone, but their philosophies continues to inspire us in all we do. Antwine believes in the values they left behind through their writings, letters, and choices in life. Thank you so much. Now it's time for a presentation enriching us about the life of our beloved Bapu and Shastri Ji.
Such a beautiful presentation. I hope all of you must have enjoyed it. Now, I request respected Principal Ma'am to kindly share her valuable words with all of us.
A very good morning to all my dear students and our partners in education, the parent community. My life is my message. This famous saying by Mahatma Gandhiji has a deep meaning. Dear students, you as the future of the nation should imbibe the Gandhian values and principles. As true Indians, we should read the story of my experiments with truth to learn Gandhiji's life messages. Dear Vikas Bhartiyans, on this occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, let us take life lessons from Gandhiji's life and spread the message of brotherhood, peace and non-violence. Gandhiji's life is an inspiration for all of us, and his sacrifices for the nation is our responsibility. An honest man and a great leader who followed the old traditional culture of India and professed Indians to have faith in themselves and for their rights. Gandhiji's great and immortal works have an impact on the people even in this modern era. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji gave the shape to Gandhiji's mission of Clean India by initiating the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on this special day, the 2nd of October. We, the citizens of free India, should take Bapu's ideology of Shramdan to the next level. Hence, dear students, as torch bearers and followers of Gandhiji, honor and salute him by living with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and bringing his dream alive of Mera Bharat Mahan. This day, the 2nd of October, is also celebrated as the birth anniversary of another great leader, patriot and ideologist, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Let us also dedicate ourselves to the ideals and goals of the leader of our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Gandhiji and Shastriji had touched every walk of life and continue to inspire everyone till today. I, Drishti Garg, on behalf of entire BBPS students, extend my heartfelt and sincere thanks to our respected chairman sir for his never-ending and unconditional support. Thank you, sir, for always standing by us and enlightening us with your valuable words. I extend a hearty thanks to our beloved principal ma'am for being the catalyst that stimulates us to do our best. Thank you, ma'am, for standing as pillar of strength with us. With a deep sense of appreciation and heartfelt gratitude, a big thank you to all the in charges. Your valuable inputs and encouraging words fill us with energy. Thank you to the entire BBPS fraternity. A big thank you to those who worked behind the scene to make this event happen successfully. Last but not the least, sincere gratitude goes to all parents for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. With that note, Happy Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. Thank you and Jai Hind.